You want to lose your weight, but finding difficulties to go to the gym. What if we told you there was a miracle drink that could help to lose your weight? A drink that holds numerous health benefits including weight loss. And it is very easy to make with its ingredients, being available readily at any grocery store. In today's video, we'll tell you more about this drink and its ingredients. Ingredient 1. The first ingredient is apple cider vinegar, commonly referred to as ACV. ACV contains only 3 calories per tablespoon with no fat, carbs, protein, or fiber. It adds a burst of flavor to your dishes without adding calories or extra salt. It also contains a small amount of potassium, amino acids, and antioxidants. ACV has quickly grown in popularity due to one of the most important benefits, helping you lose weight and reduce belly fat. Apple cider vinegar is most effective when paired with a diet full of starchy foods, as the acid in ACV slows down the digestion of starch. This could potentially help dieters because slow digestion keeps you feeling fuller longer, and slowing down digestion could mean feeling full faster because there won't be as much room to store incoming food in your stomach. A daily dose of 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar has also been shown to aid in weight loss and decrease your body fat percentage, belly fat, and blood triglycerides. Ingredient 2. It is none other than lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6. It also contains proteins, carbs, and fibers. Also, lemon juice contains plant compounds with many powerful health benefits like citric acid and antioxidants like hesperidin, diosmin, and erythrocytine. Owing to these properties, lemon juice has a lot of health benefits, from boosting your immunity, promoting heart health, helping with kidney stones and liver diseases, to helping you lose weight. It is also rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, which reduce water retention and help support your body's fat-burning process. It's also very low in calories, with a whole lemon containing about 17. It can also increase your metabolism, leading to weight loss and make you feel full for longer periods of time. Ingredient 3. The third ingredient is warm water. Warm water has a wide range of health benefits, from promoting digestion, detoxifying your body, improving circulation, reducing pain, and helping you lose weight. Warm water breaks down fat deposits from your body, which helps weight loss. Now you know about all the ingredients. Now, when all of them are combined, these 3 ingredients make you feel full, boost your metabolism, help you remove toxins from the body, and control your weight. Drink recipes. What is the ideal combination of ingredients, and how can you make it into a drink? It's very simple. Here's what you need. Heat 2 cups of water to a lukewarm temperature. Then take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of ACV. Combine all the 3 and mix properly. Drink a glass of this mixture every morning on an empty stomach, and watch your tummy flatten within a week. You can also make an amazing ACV tea for you. Take 12 fluid ounces of hot water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon raw honey, and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Combine all these ingredients in a mug. You can replace your morning cup of tea with this healthy tea. Have you ever tried this drink before? Let us know if the video was beneficial for you, commenting below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to watch every new video.